Hello students, in the last class we have seen different features of PHP. Today we are going to see how to write a program in PHP. A PHP file contains tags, that is HTML tags, and PHP scripting code. So when you are writing an PHP file, we have both HTML tags as well as PHP script. The PHP code is enclosed in special start and end processing instructions. So, whenever you are writing PHP script, you have to specify special starting and ending characters. For starting, you have to write an angle bracket, question mark, PHP. For ending, you have to write question mark and closing angle bracket. These special characters, these special start and end, are going to tell the browser inside this there is a PHP script written. It allows to embed PHP code within HTML code. So a PHP file is going to allow to embed PHP code inside HTML code. All PHP files have extension .php. So while saving the file, you have to write the extension as .php. PHP script can be placed anywhere in HTML document. In an HTML document, you can write at any place wherever you feel the correct place. You can write your PHP script. You have to start and end it with special processing. So you have to start it with angle bracket question mark PHP and end it with question mark and angle bracket. You can place it anywhere in the HTML document. How to execute a PHP program? Before executing a PHP program, you have to install XAMPP for Windows on your computer. Now here you can see there is a link provided. You can refer to this link for instructions on how to download your XAMPP. Now why do we need XAMPP? XAMPP is required so that your client machine will act as a server machine. What happens is PHP is server-side scripting. It will not execute on a client machine. It needs a server. So that your machine should act as a server, you will need XAMPP. XAMPP is going to make your machine act as a server. So that is why first install XAMPP and then you can start with PHP program. Create a folder in C, XAMPP, HDocs. So once you have completed the installation process, you can see the folder C, XAMPP, HDocs. Inside this HDoc folder, you are going to create a new folder. You can give any name to that folder. Let's take for example, the name of the folder is IT Standard 12. So let's see how does it look like. So here, this is the folder. Inside G drive, XAMPP, HDocs, there is a folder which is created IT Standard 12. Okay. Next. After the folder is created, you can type your program using any text editor, Notepad or Gedit. Since we are using Windows, we will use Notepad. And save it with extension .php. The file name is first.php. So let's see how does this look. So here, this is your Notepad. You will open Notepad, type the program. The program we will just discuss in a while. Okay, so after this, you are going to save. You have to save this program in the folder that you have just now created, IT Standard 12. See how do we save. This is your Notepad file, save as. After you click on save as, XAMPP, HDocs, IT Standard 12. Over here, name of the file, first.php. Do not forget .php. Okay. And then click on save. So this is going to save your file. After saving the file, you can go on any browser and there you have to type http localhost/IP standard 12. Okay, in the address bar. Let's see how does this look. Here, this is our browser. In the address bar URL, we are going to type localhost/IP standard 12 and press enter. After you press enter, you can see the directories, that is the files which are present in your folder. This is the file which we have created first.php. After you click this file, you will see the execution of the program. Okay. So here, all files and folders will be displayed. You can click on the file that you want to open. For example, if you want to open first.php, you click on first.php. Now, sometimes it might happen that you will, after typing http localhost/IP standard 12, you will not get the list of files and folders. Instead, you might get an error. If you get this error, then open XM control panel. So this is how the control panel looks. After you open the control panel, click on the start button for Apache. Once you click on the start button, go back to your browser, press F5. It is going to show you the directory listing, and then you can choose your file. Okay, so this is about how you are going to execute your files. Let us quickly see one of the execution here. So here, this is my notepad. This is already I have written the program. Doc type HTML, first statement, HTML, head, title, close head, body, H1. Okay, so this is just a heading. Now here, angle bracket, question mark and PHP. This is going to indicate beginning of PHP script. And then we write echo hypertext preprocessor. In PHP programming, echo command is used to print text on the web page. If I want to print any text on the web page, I have to use echo command. So this echo command will print the text, that is hypertext preprocessor, on the web page. The text must be enclosed in double quotes. Finally, there is a question mark and an angle bracket. This is going to indicate end of PHP script. Close body, close HTML. Okay, so I will just show you how to click on save as also. Save as. My file is already saved. So here you can see, you can go to a C drive. Click on C drive. After you click on C drive, XM, double click. Here you will see the folder. HDocs, double click. This is the folder that you have created. Open that folder and save your file. Write file name and here also click on all files. So my file is already saved. So I will cancel this. You will click on save. After the file is saved, go to the browser. Over here, when you go to the browser, okay, so I have already opened this. You can type it again over here. Localhost/standard 12 /IP standard 12 and click on enter. Once you click on enter, it is going to show you the listing of files. Here, first.php, click over here and your program will show you the execution. Okay, so here let's see H1. So H1 PHP first program. Then we have given PHP echo hypertext preprocessor. So the text which is enclosed in your double quotes is going to be printed as it is on the web document. Alright, so this is how do we execute this simple program. further classes, we'll study more about PHP program.